Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and sometimes you have a problem. You can't work with the numbers, or the Google Sheet recognize this as text. So you need to transfer this text, which says 23, to be a number 23. To do that, select the whole range and go over here, click Format, Number, and make sure to select this to be number. And now you have a numbers. You can do the sum function, for example. Like this. If we have a like this, we can't do the sum function. Okay, it will say 0 because this is not a number, this is a text. So if we change these to numbers, format, number, it will automatically sum our numbers. And this is it. This is how you change the numbers, text to numbers. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Until then, have a nice day and be good. Bye bye.